Hello guys, today we are teaching you some Finnish.
Yeah.
Hello equals
What does hello mean?
equals moi.
And thank you equals kiitos. Your turn.
Yeah. And chocolate means chocolate equals suklaa. Suklaa.
Okay. And then cat means cat equals kissa.
And you're welcome equals
You're welcome. What does that mean? Ole hyvä.
yeah. Ole hyvä.
Okay, and dog means koira.
Yeah, and paper equals paperi.
Okay. And hello, can I adopt a dog please means hei, voinko adoptoida koiran kiitos?
Yeah, and hi, can I put my child in this adoption center means that means moi, voinko laittaa minun lapsen tänne adoptiokotiin?
Okay, so guys, I'm sorry that we gave you all some long words, but y'all just gonna learn, you know? Okay. And what does snowball mean?
Snowball.
Lumipallo.
Yeah.
Because snow means lumi and ball means pallo.
What does what word do you need in life? Like
What about
hello, happy birthday means hyvää syntymäpäivää. Hyvää syntymäpäivää. Hyvää syntymäpäivää.
shut the fuck up. Okay.
Dumb ass.
And then I'm gonna show this snowball at you means minä aion heittää tämän lumipallon sinua päin.
Okay, now I reverse it like ovi equals door. Good.
Yeah, and
Good.
now we're moving to the curse words.
Yay.
Like you smell like shit means sinä haiset paskalta.
Yeah, you didn't even give them time.
It doesn't matter, like nobody gives a fuck.
Fuck you means haista vittu.
Okay. So, and then ass means perse.
Yeah. Dumbass means tyhmä perse.
I don't know if it actually means that, but it doesn't matter now. And then fuck means And those are the people who called us furries.
Yeah.
Fucking
was a
fake
girl.
gangsters who should kill themselves.
Oh, I didn't watch the video. That is the one furry, is the red-haired girl. Yeah. See this? Go suck dick equals mene imemään pippeliä.
Mene imemään kullia. Oh yeah, and guess what? Nuo tytöt haisevat paskalle. And you know that we actually teach you guys that.
Yeah.
You smell like shit means sinä haiset paskalle. And nuo tytöt haisevat paskalle. Means sorry. That those girls smell like shit. And no, we're not bullying them because they were bullying us and they told us to kill ourselves and that we're stupid furries because we have a different style.
Yeah.
We're not pick-me. Okay, but let's just keep doing. Fuck you with those papers, man. Okay, let's just keep doing that.
What I'm about to say. Cotton candy equals means cotton candy means hattara.
I think they got it. And
Hattara.
and unicorn means yksisarvinen.
Yeah, and
Good.
your teeth is
Your
dirty.
your teeth are dirty.
Your teeth are dirty because sinun hampaat on likaiset.
Okay, this video is over now. Goodbye everyone. Do not
Bye.
kill yourselves.
Goodbye.